Good evening, everyone. I am back, Gravy, to read to you a special poem. Today's poem comes from Felice Holman, and it is called Night Sounds. I picked it because it is nighttime right now, so I thought this would set the mood. Night sounds. In the street, sounds of wheels humming, sounds of heels drumming, humming and drumming, keeping me from sleeping in the house. Sounds of words mumbling, overheard, grumbling, mumbling and grumbling, keeping me unsleeping, far away. Sounds of waves lashing, quietly crashing, lashing and crashing, sweeping me to sleep. That poem makes me think that she lives where there is an ocean, because the sounds of the city and the house keep her awake, but the waves, the sounds of the waves from the ocean, help her sleep at night. That's very sweet. What helps me sleep at night is I take a big, deep breath through the nose and out the mouth. And I breathe slowly like that until eventually my eyes droop all the way down to sleep. Yeah. Am I still rolling? Oh, well, thank you for listening to this week's poem. Tune in next week for another poem. I am ready for bed. Oh, I need to turn the camera off. How do I turn the camera off? Someone? Anyone?